How to make the nature cat is weird effects. Okay, here we go. Use the cutting image. We always start with normal. Now, let's get for drums. Okay, well then. It will look weird. That looks weird. You just opened the rainbow effect. Well, delete these. Well then, it looks like a weird effect. But, well, we need one effect. Oh, this one. Well then, delete this. Now, let's make 4 drums too. For this, we'll use... Okay. I think that. Okay. Do we have that rainbow? Yes! Well, let's make sure that. Well, here it goes. We'll make sure that. Ah, man. Delete these ones. Okay, now let's make clearer. Okay, clearer must be here. Right now, let's make a group. Also do this image to make it more weirder. Yes, delete this one. Okay, well then, helium is going to be made by making G major 2. Okay. Then that. Okay. Finally, we made helium. Okay, we've got to make a render. Let's make the old school effect. Nice! We've got G major. Okay, this one. I'll also use it. Here it goes. Well, now let's make auto vocoding. Okay, open this great rainbow effect. There. Well then, let's make elderly effect. Well, I'll use... Yes. Finally, well then, let's make the helium short effect. Okay. The video should be long, and we'll wait for my favorite effect, Wonder Rabbit Major. Okay, now it's ruined. Just put it in the stupid G major effect. Okay. No. Delete these ones. Now, let's make jazz recorder. Well, use my favorite part of this. Also, jazz vocoder is orange, but I'm doing it with red. Okay. Yes, that's jazz vocoder. Now, let's make the droplets effect. We'll open the colorful. Okay. Well then, let's make power school. I'll do it. Well, there. I'm now making the pink Jordan. Okay. Now I'll make FMAJ vocoder. That effect will be great. Okay, I'll use this effect. Okay. Well. Now this. Narrator 2. Now, let's make weird cleaver. Okay. We've got the ensemble effect 3. Well, the gradient map will be this. Okay. Let's make the power setting night. Okay. Well. Delete these. Here, power setting night. Now, let's make tails setting night. Okay. Now, let's make the heavenly power. Okay, delete this. Well, let's make the wooden effect nameless. That's cool effect. No. Okay. Here it is. The nameless effect. Now, let's make Colorama. Okay. Well, let me look at this. Now let's make a green lowers. And now, Goo Goo Gaga. Let's make the not sure what I did to X effect. That funny sounding effect. Okay, just a flip. That. Okay. Good. Now, let's make the diamond major. Well then, let's make high major. This one. Now let's make Wonder Rabbit major. Okay, my favorite effect. What do I want? Okay. Yes! I got my favorite. Yes. Now, let's make the crazy diamond. The effect that should be the last. Okay. This. Well, let's make Power Robot. Okay, that's Power Robot. Now, let's make black and white shorted. Well, but okay. Time to make elderly shorted. Okay, that here. I want to do that here. No. That. Delete this. Okay. Okay. Now let's make the yellow shorted. Okay. There's the electrode. Now let's make the electric noodle effect. Okay. Well then, I made the electric noodle 2.0. Now electric noodle 3. Here should it come. Okay. I'm making room. Okay. Now let's make this effect loudness, Baron's least favorite. It's too loud. Yeah, I know. It's scary, but loud. Now, let's make the wall effect. Okay. Let's make wall effect. Here it is, the wall effect. Okay. Here it goes. Now let's make that annoying effect. Weird shorted. That effect gives me the creeps. Nah, not this one. But right. That should be a weird thing. Well, I'll make weird shorted doing it right here. Okay. Ah, shit. I'm getting bad luck. Aw, man. Why are there many normal clones? Yes. This. Let's make that creepy, weird shorted. Here it is. Weird shorted. Now let's make weird helium. The effect Wonder Rabbit Major's crush. Weird helium. Nah, not there. But here. Also there. Okay. That's weird helium. Now let's make I killed the effect. Okay. That one. Now let's make G major 5. Okay. Let's make the effect. Round 1 versus MegaPhoto Pro. Also use it. I'm going to be told. Now that green effect. Now let's make the second one in MegaPhoto round 1. The fold effect. That should be maybe there. Nah. Okay. I'll get it by myself. Okay. There's folk text. Okay. The third one. Okay. Housed. Okay. That's more and more. Well then, use it. That. Well. Oh. Okay, the next one is the number confusion. Okay, here it goes. Well, I mean number confusion. Well then, what effect should I make next? Maybe that what effect? That one that looks like G major 4 and weirdness every. Okay. What will I do? Okay. Here it comes. I'll do it. Okay, let's go. Here it goes. I want the effects. Yes, this one. Let's do make click group by the rainbow effect here. Now let's make the not scary effect. Not scary effect. Here it is. Okay, now open this. Well, let's make the one G major 16. Is it good? Well, I'll know. Finally, I made G major 16. Now, let's make DUH. That funny effect. DUH. This one. Hell. I'll make this. Well, what do we have? Maybe I've got to go with. Yes. Oh yeah. Let's go. Let's make DUH. Here it comes. No, make tone sounds. Here. And now, conga busher out of this. Well, okay. That's weird and fun. Okay. Now, let's make blind and deaf. It's hard to get it. Okay. Now live camera. I'll do cut to effect. Get me, please. Now let's make that. Okay. Wow, what should that effect look like? Maybe this is always open the live camera again. Well, that's great. Also, that was the longest video. Also, bye!